Hello everyone, hope you're all having a pleasant winter and getting stuck into your hot rod or muscle car project. You know, winter's not too bad in Canada, it's very pretty, but there are some hidden dangers. Now, obviously, you wouldn't want any of that falling on your head, or more importantly, on your car. But the problem is, my wife's car is parked directly under these ones. So I'm going to have to remove all these icicles. And there's some really nasty ones around the corner. Wait till you see this. Check out that bad boy. It's like 7 foot tall. So I'm going to have to remove them. However, there must be some use for icicles, eh? There must be. There we go, somewhere to sit while I'm out working on the car. But seriously folks, make sure you check for hanging icicles. That could really hurt if it landed in your head, or any part of you, to be honest. And of course, it would really hurt your car. Also, while we're on the subject of winter safety, make sure you clear the snow around your exterior vents coming from your water heater and your furnace and any gas appliance. You don't want to be, getting ill from carbon monoxide. And I hope everyone down in Texas is doing okay. They've had it rough down there. My heart goes out to you. Right folks, back to work tomorrow. Not sure what I'm doing, but I've got a feeling it's going to be some interior work, like floors and paneling, that kind of thing. Went for a drive today, and it was the first long drive I took in the car without being paranoid about it overheating, and it really felt good. I can't wait till spring and summer, like everyone else. Right folks, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Dave Scott out.